Good morning, seawolves. This is Paige.
And this is Anaya.
Today we are going to be talking about why Christmas is everyone's favorite holiday.
Yeah, I'm gonna start tweaking if it doesn't come already.
Oh, okay.
I got some people's opinions about Christmas, and most say it's their favorite because it's so slay.
Okay. A real reason is because you're surrounded by your loved ones and delicious feasts, and you get to wear warm clothes.
I heard someone say it's not about the tree, it's about the people you share it with.
That's really cute, but if you ask the kids, they'd probably say it's the gifts that they were given to them.
Real, wait. I heard some people don't celebrate Christmas because of their religion.
Yeah, it's true. You know, I heard that some people make breakfast, eat as a family, watch a movie, and then finally open presents.
That's actually really weird in my opinion. Whenever I wake up, I open my presents right away.
Real. No, because sometimes I wake up at 6 in the morning and wake up the whole family by banging a pan. Then my brother thinks someone's breaking in and starts flexing down the hallway until he sees me, but it all turns out okay.
I doubt that.
Yeah.
When I wake up, I ruin my family's sleep and scream in their ear, Merry Christmas.
How nice. I love that. I might actually do that this year.
Oh, slay.
I know, right? I hope I'm getting clothes, shoes, AirPods because mine don't work, and Apple Watch and a Billie Eilish perfume for Christmas. Those are the main things that I want.
I also want another Apple Watch, another pair of Air Maxes, headphones, and rose gold because I only have gray and black. I want shoes, clothes, and perfume.
Those are actually really nice gifts. I might put some of those on my list.
Yeah, I know. My list is better than yours.
Okay. Anyways, I still don't know what to get my brother and my dad.
I'm thinking of getting my dad a Rolex.
Now, how in the world can you afford that? My grandfather gave me $100 and now I only have $50 because my brother stole it.
Oh my gosh, imagine, could never be me.
I already got my mom, my aunt, and my cousin their birthday gifts.
Slay, I didn't get... Wait. Slay, I didn't get anybody anything yet.
Do you plan on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them some big, freeze-dried Skittles.
Those are actually really good.
I think this is gonna be the best Christmas because I have a feeling there's gonna be a really big surprise for me.
Imagine I open one of my gifts and I get a new dog. That would be amazing. I would have 2 cats and 2 dogs then. That's just more bad news for my cats, though.
I doubt that will happen.
What are you trying to say?
I'm just trying to say the chances of that happening is 1 in a million.
Yeah, you're right. I guess because my mom always tells me how she hates animals, and then the next day she says she loves them, and I never take care of them.
Well, I think we should wrap up. So I'm Anaya.
And I'm Paige.
Bye, guys.
Bye.